iDiskiTimes, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50. World Sports Betting, proud sponsor of iDiskiTV.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch FC 0. It was a dominant performance for Mamelodi Sundowns. Sometimes, before we even talk about the video, we want to urge you to watch the matches because sometimes we engage in conversations and there are comments, and you can clearly see that some of our people don't watch the matches, and sometimes it's like we are overpraising a team. Mamelodi Sundowns today, they had a training session. They scored 3 goals and they played football. We saw some of the Stellenbosch FC players, their t-shirts were wet. You could see that they've been running the whole 2 hours of that game. So sometimes it's not like we're overrating this team. You have to actually take your time as well to watch the match. Junior, Sundowns won. It was a dominant performance. What did we see today? I don't even know which questions to ask as well.
Yeah, first of all, Nkululeko, my brother, compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns continuously. Asibanike eqala ngokuqhubeka labagcine khona sikhuluma ngeteam that there's a lot of pressure at them, but by Tata as if it's a training session each and every game that they play, they keep on improving. Nkululeko ilebe ngitshela ngale game Pirates ukuthi ukushintsha team it's like commit suicide. Sundowns, the coach has left, doing well for himself, alakhli khuluma Mr. Msiman, but there's laid the foundation. Whoever took over, Pizzo Umangoba Mniti, Rulani Mkwena, also bringing Steve Kompela. Omunimund Bears Bus good Penzan, that was clever. Manga Bachek, very humble on the bench, they're not making noise. Agushuguti, more making noise to giving proper instructions. Humble, they prepare the team, a training. And then when they come, go game time, it's like back at the because whatever about apply training, Lento is Ngabona Cup is a training session, but it's not easy to do this. First, Manga check Sundowns are gonna play that country. Secondly, technique, proper technique. First hash passing. The movement of the ball, monkey. Basic football. If you master those things, if skill it's upon us. The team layer, whoever will come in, can resist. La aksi program akrenyo akush ukuthi bani uzophuma ngesikhathi so manje uzongena ngesikhathi so everybody can score. There's Kapinga Lisedi, look at him, he came today fit like a glove. Makangena second half Ashmin Domingos it was marvel to watch. Movement of the ball, one touch, 2 touch. Ageko wakibela pes go pola wenza these funny things. Keeping the ball fluid. It's him gonna be fluid. Everybody who participated ifana nemoti tayere lugamba just it's like everybody has a rule. It's something like that at Sundowns, everybody knows this rule. You understand? Manga cheki pola lamba ngama departmental sugi pambili le emove le goalkeeper le pambili and then it's a goal. No, it's goalkeeper le dlale move midfield up front, it's a goal.
Just repeat the functions of the car.
Emotweni kunamavili okahamba angithi Nkululeko istrivele sokujikisa amalight okulight amakunyama. So at Mamelodi Sundowns, sure, everybody uyazi rule yakhe. You understand? And you will noma badliwe Nkululeko, you see bakora ngama mistake wabo labantu. You don't create something out of nothing more than you must have something special. Sundowns Nkululeko ngisazophindela isazoyidominator South African football each and every year. Labantu laba Nkululeko but they are very clever. Ngikhuluma nge-technical team yabo. By keep the core team yabo. When they change, they're not making a lot of changes. These young kids, when they come, they learn. And whoever will come, it doesn't just go in. He sit on the bench and he watch with badala kanjani. Mageza ask good mela insane what is expected. Ulesedi Kapinga has been couple of months, 2 months assigned today. Open Diba just advice for him. Can he just move the ball like everybody? But he's a good player. Just move the ball like everybody. It did well magangena naye, but asimbonanga because the team beyenza well onke. So test to mchita. So intengi bonenga I can't run with the ball from here. We won. the whole team is playing. So we sat down njengoba ngisho kune culture la. I culture Sundowns passing. It's like ile apply abo Preston basesela pia nishushana. A culture passing game. Fluid. Team Sundowns fluid. Alsuki ku right back ile ku striker. It's rare. Yes, sometimes it happens. You need good sometimes win ugly. But ku Sundowns it's rare to find it. We are to identify good badly passing game. There's movement of the ball at downs. If we check Kermit, Erasmus, Shalulile, Umshishi, by trainile their defense. Abafana bangena kanje dewe beba manzi nte kuleko. If you could check it down, it defense Stellenbosch every day defend the face palaw. By 4 right back Chiga is Zaga left back. You know why? Ikijima no Erasmus because of Iran. Ayazi yepi. It tells you ngulule ngamanya matima ngabana matima 16 so go upset with yes TV Premiership njengo Sundowns. Noma ngeke bamiche ngama resources. But proper development at the age of 4 years. As I was talking to one of the coach Farukani Malangini, akhuluma ngenye coach ukuthi i-development FC Porto angitshela thi at the meeting with team development at the age of 4 years. If you can have develop players properly, ngaphandle kwama resources nkuleko, izoba almost Sundowns ama-team ayi-16 you can compete ama-cup ngikhuluma nga-Africa and also outside Africa. So nkululeko uma ungayi-check Mamelodi Sundowns. That's why each and every year they're competing with Champions League. Okay. You know why? Nguleko le team they're good, bro. Each and every player has millions. They don't just buy a player. Within a window they buy a player because they need that player. And they might figure unless it's extraordinary. Yes, it's like something special like Abu Kermit. You can't put to Kermit in a pant unless you know you understand. Yeah. So also you need to give credit. I mean, Shalulile Magalapa was one of many credit. Shalulile was under structure. The coach Begabuya Silence Park is running. Is more direct. Bega direct. Trusted. Speed up with some 7. But Manga check is Sundowns. The training yam improve Muntu. Pega laba chita laba manju Shalulile movement. He knows where. He has improved a lot. I got delay ball. One touch Shalulile is running in Bonilo Ganenzi. Wanted to run with the ball. Manje has improved. Perfect. I need to give credit to you. So Nyamniga. So Ngudulega Boni credit Magnabe. You do this. Very, very excited also on Nascimento. I know with the equality. Last week he has made 2 mistakes. Omunyimun because I confident down. He has lifted himself because he's a quality player, experienced player. Mangam check up against it into simple. It was rare for him to play goalkeeper because we are Zwanzi planned. Most players are forward, not al shy, chip it or play in the middle. Also give credit Jobangisho. Inside the technical team, the selection that they did today, 18 campaign. Kulmanga everybody has participated game and I'm shy. A round of applause, my brother. Yeah.
I just need to repeat again, Uguti. We're not really going to dwell too much on the game because if you gave yourself a chance to watch the game, it was beautiful, man. It was a training session. The ball was circulating. Sundowns were dominant. They were dominant. They could have won by 5. I know Stellenbosch got a chance or 2 here and there because, like Junior was saying, Sundowns maybe make a mistake at the back. But really, to be honest with you, there was only one team here. The goal was scored by Kermit, Erasmus, Themba Zwane again, adding from his hat-trick from last week, and Peter Shalulile as well. I wanted to mention Umabuwe as well. I mean, we gave him a little bit of a negative feedback last week. Uguti, look, you were not clear. Uguti, are you a midfielder going forward or are you a midfielder helping a team when they need numbers at the back? But you were happy with his contribution today.
Gumaris position I think when he was spotted, Maris Peki was coming from deep. I think when you're in a way create high and when you're good my from deep a middle. Because when he's there, attack ball after about 2 minutes, confident deep in the ballet. A lot is expected because Lapa he must go forward more. So now sometimes Yamniga Ugutalwine we are born quality because we are born with criteria Pamila Funig movement and no clinical 1-on-1 you must deal with those. So in the middle we criteria keeping the 7s because if Charlie is not there, is there. Distance foot was we cover. He position king Bonile respect coming from deep in the middle. I think I'm suitor. Ben question on Shompo but after watching Mabuye, I need to give credit where it's due. After watching Mabuye, having shot at target at Tulagala no more scoring area, I give. but it doesn't mean that Hlombe is a bad player. Hlombe is a quality, still remain a quality. But obviously, Mhlambe Sundowns lentole abayenzayo ngoba na is functioning to take out amanye ama-players esenesikhathi and then bring these kids. It's a good thing. Some coaches made us credit. Mangabe they do well. Mangabe yenza and then they function. We need to give credit because it's Sundowns school level. Ibalance yobangitshela. Ibola liyaseculator. Akori ama-strikers ngikhuluma ngo-Kermit labantu abapfront le-3 upfront Mshishi, Kermit, Shalulile. No, yes they score boy-3 namhlanje i-appear kanjani mara everybody can score. Everybody can score. Next week ungeza bathi ujale score. Awubi ne team equality madoda akusi performance la akusi temporary. They give this every day basikona ngama mistake yiwo ngithi ba consider ngama mistake wabo. It can be set piece ngoba ne believe ukuthi bona they will never ba rely on set piece ama indlela abantu bokuconsider ngayo okanye benza iphutha but ba pass back pass okanye umunye athi pass kuba ile yonto okanye penalty. But most the team le more balance defense midfield up front strikers goalkeeper compact kanje ngikutshelile ngathi is like iKorean lento le bayidlala iCostin Angulego. I was very impressed. They remind me of Barcelona. Bengathi training session. I was telling Poch, I don't know about bad trainer by Shukchin. My right by Pierre Gant Baba Bonise. Some coaches good they must go back. But you went to school for coach. No. You must go apply grounding. It tells you in a training session. It tells you the type of football that you're playing. Nam sabik meli appear. But I was telling Poch. It's been angathi nyaka 4 win PSL DSTV Premiership or 4-5 from South Africa champions.
Number 3 or number 4?
Khona lapho. Ngifuna ukubona i-identify nenkinga nabo Steve Parker. Indlela abadlala ngayiphi. Ngifuna ngim-identify ukuthi udlala kanjani. And then there's a problem. Each and every abadlala so. Each and every you can't play like this and then your players will expect you to be a national team. Never. So question good ganjani. There's no player that you can single him out. It tells me ngiyaku coach mean. Isystem ayidlalayo ukuthi iyawo alama player nama player identifier ubani wenza scouting. This team is properly in a structure secret now. Who's appointed? Who's a proper scout? South Africa must understand wonke lama team abenjalo. Similar like Sundowns. We are Thanda. Sundowns Pirates is better second team. But go Pirates and Kalamina coaching, that's all. Their players go Pirates that pound to pound they can make Sundowns. But team abo chincha each and every jail lengulego and I balance. So njobang jelly Sundowns if teams can learn. Go and check it development things as I mentioned. It development abo the first team it's the same kululego. Go under 13, 15, 17 MTC. MTC abandabana 16. MTC abi under 15. About 15 should be under 16 abandabana 15 go past 14. MTC abo. Some team MTC 23. You fail it, go DSTV Premiership, you're MTC. You're blocking for these kids. So go Sundowns it tells you in quality with the young age make comfort zone. When they sign Washington Domingos when he come in, no capping. Any coach any. It takes a clever coach and a coach and Amapols. Another came in the lie. Start, but for me not now. But I don't mind them going forward because my boy and colleague Mabangen. Bebanza defense like being as insane. It like movement of the ball, one touch, two touch. Yes, you need such players. Skill, trouble to eliminate one touch. It's a dribbling. South Africa scale is a skill man stand. I like skill effective. Eliminate going forward. One touch, two touch. Trouble bypass passing people, but ungalenze stock sweet. Access to sweetie football still share along. I'm very impressed with Sundowns.
Okay. I think there's nothing much that we're gonna do here. If you've watched the game, you would have seen that there's nothing to say about the Sundowns. It was beautiful. It was 3-0. It was dominant. There will be more games for us to talk about whether or not they are title contenders. We'll revisit that conversation, and of course, it does look like it even at this point because they will sleep tonight as number 1 as well. iDiskiTV is on Facebook. We shoot our halftime videos. iDiskiTimes.co.za, and of course we are on Twitter as well as iDiskiTimes. Also World Sports Betting, WSB.co.za. I'll reiterate the message again. Please watch matches so that you can understand this video, so that you can comment better as well. This video is not a football match. You have to actually watch the actual game in order for you to be able to engage us properly. Thank you very much for watching the video.